Ketchup, otherwise known as tomato sauce in other parts of the world, was once used for a very different purpose. Tomato ketchup has been an inseparable part of our day-to-day meals. It is used on many things such as burgers, hot dogs, and almost anything else you can imagine. It wasn't always this way, however. Fun fact, in the 1830s, tomato ketchup used to be sold as a medicine, claiming to cure ailments like diarrhea, indigestion, and jaundice. The idea was first proposed by Dr. John Cook Bennett, an American physician, in 1834, who is said to sell the recipe later in form of tomato pills. However, once Dr. Bennett's pills hit the market claiming the medicinal properties of tomatoes, brigades of copycats began selling their own tomato-based pills, initiating a tomato pill war. Unfortunately, some of these copycats simply sold laxatives with no trace of tomatoes. They also made wild claims that their pills could cure everything from scurvy, a condition caused by vitamin C deficiency to brittle bones. Due to these false claims, the ketchup medicine empire collapsed in 1850. The end of tomato pills didn't mean that the product as a whole went away, though. Decades later, in 1876, Henry Heinz, an American entrepreneur, came up with today's version of tomato ketchup by creating it with ripe tomatoes, distilled vinegar, brown sugar, salt, and a variety of spices. What do you like putting ketchup on? Or is there anything you couldn't eat without it? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this fun fact. Check out one of our other videos for facts that will truly amaze you.